Hey guys, Richard here with ProReal DFW Construction and Remodeling, and we do home additions in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This house was a one-story house before we got our hands on it. Come upstairs, I'll show you. All right, here we are in the brand new addition. It's about 700 square feet added onto the house, which added a ton of value and created a space for the homeowners to love and enjoy. This whole second floor is just the primary suite. Let me give you a tour. So something every primary suite has to have is a his and hers. This is his, hers is over there, and it's about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times bigger. It's what you would expect. Next, there's an in-suite laundry room. Check this out. No more going downstairs just to come back upstairs with your clothes. And we still have the laundry room downstairs for the kids. We also added a 350 square foot deck that overlooks the backyard. It's gonna be amazing when these homeowners add a pool. Check this out. Incredible. Now, let me show you the pride and joy of this master suite and this home addition. We added a bathroom. It is close to 300 square feet of pure luxury. So we have marble countertops, freestanding tub, slate floors, a shower that can fit like, I don't know, 20 people in it, 6 shower heads, and a commode closet, which is a must for every primary suite. So if you're ready to do a home addition and build something beautiful with us, feel free to reach out.